custom high-end stone fabrication shop. We specialize in the high-end market. I've been on the island for 33 years now. I started my own company in 2000. It was a very small, just a two-man operation. Almost 90% of our work is miter now. We specialize in radius miters, different thicknesses of profiles where we do miters 13 inches deep. I went to an expo in 2009. I went to talk to one of the competitors and no one was in the booth and the salespeople were all standing around, and I walked in there and just sort of waited, and nobody wanted to give me the time of day. So I walked over to the parts booth and they were all busy. They had several clients that they were all working with, and I was approached immediately and was invited to the Digital Expo at that point. When I saw how the entire system worked together, I kind of made the decision at that point. We bought a Fusion, a Titan, Pathfinder, and a water treatment system all at the same time. We have a SaberJet, the SaberJet XP, the Titan 3700, a Fastback, the Slab Vision scanner, and the HydroClear water reclamation system. At the time, the ultra compacts were coming into the market heavily. The regular SaberJet just didn't have the horsepower. When Park upgraded to the SaberJet XP, that's when we decided to upgrade to the XP. It's definitely the increased horsepower and the variable speed driven motor definitely helps us adjust our speeds and feed rates for the different types of material, because each one of them will cut differently. The 5-axis water jet capabilities really makes it a lot easier for inside 90-degree corner mitering. It saves the inside corners from chipping. It makes the jobs come much cleaner. The speed is great. We can cut 8 or 10 slabs a day with the SaberJets. It pretty much does it itself without having to have an employee standing by the machine. The Titan helps us make a very tight seam. The SaberJets do the cutting. The Titan finishes off our scribes. The finger bits will shape the pieces to the sizes we need. The seaming of the countertops has improved greatly with the Titan. Saves a huge amount on labor. The Park Industries machines will eliminate a lot of the dust. It definitely eliminates 90% of it. The precision is much better. I mean, we're much more accurate. We went from a single car garage shop basically to a 12,000 square foot warehouse that is completely packed. The software has been upgraded considerably from what it was when we bought the machines 10 years ago. The 5-axis water machine was a huge improvement and a great help on both the SaberJet and the SaberJet XP. The Park Industries customer service has been excellent. When we need parts for the machine, they're usually here within 24 to 48 hours. We are in Hawaii, so there's shipping restrictions that we have to face out here, which makes it a little more difficult. They're always very responsive to us when we have an issue. They not only help us, but they walk us through it until it's completed. Whenever we need anything, they're always there for us. The Park Industries machines will increase your production. The value is there to invest in the Park Industries machinery.